Hello, welcome to another episode of the Ikan Bilis Weekly Forecast Show. Our weekly forecast is published every Sunday, 4 p.m. UK time to help you navigate the sea of market volatility. Please subscribe and click the like button before we dive into the charts.
Hey people, I've got something good to share with you guys. Bilis has launched a prop trading service and we are now looking for talented traders to fund. You can trade Forex, crypto indices, and metals with the accounts using the MetaTrader 4 application. We have the friendliest evaluation criteria in the industry that sets you up for success. All you just need to make 10% on your account in 60 days and make sure that your trade sizes are consistent and within a reasonable risk parameter. Most prop trading firms split up their evaluation into two 30-day phases and require a 10% profit made on each of those phases. In my opinion, that sets up traders for failure and forces them to take unnecessary risks on the account. Furthermore, we allow you to earn from the get-go. Yes, we reward you for good trading even during your evaluation phase. So wait no longer. Go ahead and sign up for an account at ikanbilis.capital. We're now giving out free challenges for a limited time only. Please join our Discord channel to say hi and find out more.
Let's talk about the dollar CAD. Alright, so for the dollar CAD, I think 1.30 is in sight. The macro sentiment for the dollar has never been clearer. It is uncertain. I mean, there is definitely upside to see for 2022. But in the short term, this choppiness is the reflection of the macro situation. It is uncertain when it's going to happen, but we know it's going to happen, and it's just chopping up and down until then. So if there isn't clarity given, it will continue to chop all the way up to 130. If there's clarity, let's say Fed says it's January, then it shoots up straight away to 130. So yeah, there's only upside that I see from here, unless the Omicron virus blows up and then the world economy has no choice but to lock down and start their QE again. Prices likely going up, but they run the risk of inflation. So is an extremely touchy situation for the central banks of the world to see what they do. Their hands are kind of tight, in my opinion, and unless there's a change in attitudes or an obvious change in the stance that they will take, my guess is they will just let interest rates rip and the dollar will skyrocket.
We've come to the end of the video. If you think our content is useful to you, please like, share, and subscribe. Our Discord channel is up and running, and it's the best place to stay current with our latest updates. See you there, or until next week.